Students, continuation of previous video. So whatever the length we have taken here, okay, we drawn an arc at y, and with center y we draw an arc with to z. Okay, we join the lines, right? Again with center y we draw a curve here, and with z center we cut the curve arc. Okay, we join the line. Okay, so this line indicates the bisector of these two guys, bisector of z and y. So here this total is 60. So it is 30, it is 30. This is 60. This is 30. This is also 30. But we need to find 45, right? Okay, students. Now with center x of same radius, draw a arc. Okay, okay, this one to mark something u. Okay, now with center u, cut an arc. Okay, cut an arc. Now join these two. This point is somewhat V. Okay, therefore VAB. Therefore angle VAB is 45 degrees. Okay, now what we did, guys? First, students, take down the steps. Draw the base of length 7 centimeters. Okay, length is not compulsory, is up to you. You can draw is of your own length. Okay, next one. Take more than of length. Okay, mention here AB. Take more than of length AB. Okay, then with center A, draw an arc. Okay, mark it as X. Mark it as X. Now with same radius, okay, with center X, draw an arc, that is Y. Okay, therefore join AY. Join AY. Again with same radius, with center Y, draw other arc. Say Z. Say Z, guys. Okay. Therefore join AZ. Okay, now students, with center Y we draw an arc, with center Z cut an arc. That point also you mentioned. with center as y and z, draw an arc and cut an arc. Okay, and that is W. Therefore, join AW. Join AW. Okay guys, join AW. This is a 90 degrees. We need to find 45 degrees, right? Now, with center X, draw an arc. With center U, cut an arc. For finding 45 degrees, students, with center X, draw an arc. Students, here with center means radius is same, whatever you have taken that is fixed. Okay, draw an arc again with center U. Students, where is U? This is a U point, this point. Cut an arc. Therefore, join, students, join, that is, let it be V, join AB. Therefore, VAB is 45 degrees, guys. VAB is a 45 degrees. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.